How to fix incoming calls not ringing on iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone if it's not ringing when someone calls you. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. If your iPhone is not ringing when someone calls you, and you may be missing important calls from friends, family, or even work, don't worry because I'll show you a couple of easy fixes that can solve the problem fast. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode, then scroll down until you see Attention-Aware Features. If this option is turned on, your iPhone may reduce the ringtone volume whenever it detects that you're looking at the screen. Try turning this off, then make a few test calls and see if your iPhone starts ringing normally again. The next fix is to check if Do Not Disturb or any focus mode is enabled. This is one of the most common reasons why iPhones stop ringing. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Control Center. Look for Do Not Disturb or any focus mode that may be turned on. If you see one enabled, tap on it to turn it off. These modes are designed to block calls and notifications, so disabling them can instantly fix the issue. Another thing you should check is your Bluetooth connection. Sometimes your iPhone is actually ringing, but the sound is being sent to Bluetooth headphones or a speaker instead of your phone speaker. Go to Settings, then tap Bluetooth. If you see headphones, speakers, or other devices connected, disconnect them, or simply turn Bluetooth off completely. After that, try calling your iPhone again and see if the ringtone comes back through the phone speaker. Now let's check your ringer volume. A lot of people accidentally lower their ringtone volume without realizing it. Open Settings, then go to Sounds and Haptics. Here you'll see the ringer and alert slider. Make sure the slider is turned all the way up. Also, disable the option called Change with Buttons. This prevents the volume buttons from accidentally lowering your ringtone volume in the future. And finally, make sure your iPhone is not in silent mode. Depending on your iPhone model, check the ringer switch or the action button and make sure ringtone mode is turned on. So yeah, those are some of the best ways to fix an iPhone that's not ringing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.